Hi bestie, today I'm going to show you how to romanticize your weight loss journey so it doesn't feel like work but more of a self-love story. If you've been struggling with motivation, this video is for you because it will completely shift your perspective. And if this is your very first time to see me on your feed, my name is Winnie James. I'm a weight loss health coach and I help women across the globe to lose weight and transform their bodies, enjoying food they love at the comfort of their home. If this speaks to your life or your interest, please subscribe, like, and also let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. This video is sponsored by Diaspora Insurance. Diaspora Insurance offers worldwide coverage, a flexible funeral cash plan with immediate payout, and acceptance is 100%. No medical required. Visit www.diasporainsurance.com to get your quote today and secure the peace of your loved ones. Weight loss shouldn't feel like punishment. It is an act of love to your body. When you feed your body the right nutrients, when you give your body the food that have nutritional value, that is love you're giving to your body. 96% of work to your weight loss journey, it is in the mind. When you change your mindset, when you change the language that you speak about your body, things start changing. Mindset, the language that you use about your body, the language that you use about your journey, it is what determines where you're going. Because if you say that this weight loss thing, it is not for me, I have tried everything, because you are telling your mind now, I have tried everything that I know and it is not working. If you're not going to work on your mindset, if you're not going to work on what you feed your mind concerning weight loss, it can be very, very difficult for you to achieve your goal. If the content that you're consuming every day are the content that are saying that me, I am bigger and I have accepted myself, I owe no one, a flat tummy, if that is what you're feeding your mind with, then weight loss can become very difficult. If the people around you, the language they use, it is the language of, oh, you know what, tutapewa mwili mwingine binguni mpya, tutapewa. So, but what are you doing with this one that you have been given on earth? If those are the people that you are surrounding yourself with, it can be very difficult. If those are the words that are coming from your mouth, just the words that you're speaking, if that is the language that you're using, it can be very difficult, because sometimes you're using this language not because you want to speak this type of words, but it is because of the people around you and you want to fit in. Your weight loss journey, it is personal. So don't talk these things or do things other people are doing just to fit in. Just know it is for you. Curate your online feed to things that are building you towards your goal. Change the way you speak. Instead of just saying, you know what, I have to work out because I have to lose this weight. Change the language and say, I get to move my body to charge my energy. And let me tell you, when you start being intentional with what you speak about your body and your weight loss journey, it is a game changer. You will realize it is not even about what it is on the plate. It is your mindset. The work, the 96% of where you're going, of you losing weight, it is about the mind and the word. The Bible says that out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. So what are you speaking? So it says that the power to build or to destroy, it is in the tongue. So for you, are you building with your words or are you destroying? It is all round. It is all. Don't be cheated that the words are just for the marriage and for the children and for the money. No, the words are all round. What are you creating with your words? What you're creating with the language, with the mindset, it is key on your weight loss journey. Number 2, how to romanticize your journey, it is to have rituals. Yes, create a good atmosphere in your home, in your house. If you are doing yoga, eka hiyo candle on. Yes, light the candle, and then have a beautiful time before you start your yoga session, or before you start stretching in the morning, or that playlist that you love so much. When you're walking, put on that music and or podcast, that whatever playlist that you have that you love, and that builds and motivates you to do something that is positive. Put on that one, and then go for a walk when you're listening to what you love. This is simple things, but they are very effective on the way to weight loss journey. Number 2, romanticizing healthy habits. Make healthy eating fun. Try recipes that are worth a Pinterest bowl. I don't know if you have watched my very first video. I think that was 2018 or 2019. So that was my very first video. I did not like the salad thing. I used to say, Mimi and the burger without kupikwa, it is not my thing. But what I realized, it is because I used to buy salad from the shops, and the way they had put it together was according to what they make. It is not what I like. So I started preparing my salad at home. Today, I can eat salad any time of the day, any time of the year, and I will feel satisfied and okay. I did not know how to make salad. And if you're like me, those days that I did not know how to make salad, and then so salad, you disqualify salad. Whenever you see a vegetable that are not cooked, you're like, those ones are not for me. Check the description box for you to get my 7-day healthy recipe under 5 minutes. This one, it is a game changer. You will not only lose weight, but you also learn how to make salad at home, delicious salad and healthy salad at home, and other recipes that you find on this book. That is a game changer. Other thing that can help you to drink water more, it is to get a cute bottle. This I always say, get a cute bottle. I used to feel as if drinking water is work, because I have to go to the kitchen, 1 bottle, second time 2 glasses of water, 3. The third one, you are like, you're already tired, you don't want to go to the kitchen, because why are we going to the kitchen just to get water? And you see the many trips that you make to the kitchen, that is where you see, there is ugali here, let me have a ugali and then have this one, and then you will go again, and then you are like, I haven't had the bread, let me take 2 slices of bread, and then I can drink water. Water is healthy. And without knowing, you keep on snacking, unhealthy or healthy, but you're teaching your tummy to eat more. You're teaching your tummy to eat more. So if you're on a weight loss journey, you don't want your tummy to be the same, because the process is to bring it down. It is to shrink the mara. Yeah, you don't want to maintain the 1 kg stomach. You want the belly to come at least half kg. So, and the way to do it, it is to reduce the intake. It is to reduce what you're eating. So, but when you're going to the kitchen, you keep on snacking and snacking, and you are on this journey. Remember, this journey, it is not a punishment. That is what I said. So the way to be able to drink 8 glasses of water, it is to get a cute bottle like this one of mine from Teso. This one is a game changer, because if you have a bottle like this one, you can carry it anywhere, in the car, in the gym, when you're going on the walk, in the office. It doesn't matter. When you're having time with your friends, you can carry it anywhere. It is cute, and you will be drinking water, feeling cute, feeling awesome. Yeah, you want also people to see that you have a cute bottle. So a cute bottle is a way to help you big time to be able to drink 8 glasses of water per day. By the time I am done with my bottle, I know already it is maybe just 2 glasses I need, and I will eat and have it, or drink water before dinner, whatever works for me at that specific time. So cute bottle is a game changer. Okay. Part 3, aesthetic motivation. Create a vision board. I know we create vision boards for business, for life, for a whole year or 5 years or 10 years. I would say create a vision board in monthly basis. And when doing this, I recommend also pairing it with journaling, because this will be also a game changer. When you can see where you're going every day, journaling will help you big time when it comes to track your progress. This is something that can change your weight loss journey and your life as well, but it is something that people don't take serious and they just see it as just writing. It is not just writing. It is you telling your mind where you're going. It is you looking at the numbers on the scale, looking at the numbers on that paper. They say if it is not on paper, it is vapor. What you have not scheduled, it is not important. So when you put it on the paper, you're telling your mind, you're telling your body that we are going somewhere, that we have come from somewhere. It is like a cheat code for accountability, because when you write it down, and I have one that I created for my clients because I saw how it helped me and it has helped so many clients of mine. They are able to recognize where their weaknesses are and where their strengths are. And let me tell you, those two, it is a game changer. When you know where your weaknesses is and where your strength is. And it is not just saying, it is not just imagining, it is you seeing what you're doing. This journal are created specifically for weight loss. It is something that I could not find in the marketplace, and I needed something to guide me and also to guide my client. Let me tell you, when you put it and see where you are able to know where you're going. And I'll put a link in the description box if you check it out and get yours today. It doesn't have to be that journal. As long as you can get hold of a notebook or somewhere you can write, it is okay. But this one, I can tell you, it is a game changer. If you're serious on your weight loss journey, this will help you big time. Another thing that will help you, it is also affirmation. Affirm yourself. In this journal, affirm yourself every single morning. Have like 5 affirmations so that you can keep reminding yourself that you are on this journey, that you're making the right decision, that you are on a journey. It is very, very important. This one is also a game changer. Reward yourself. Reward your milestone with non-food treats. Don't keep on saying, now after I've lost 5 kgs, I'm going to do this, I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat ice cream, I'm going to do this. No. Treat your milestone with non-food treats, like buy yourself flour. And you know, flowers are very nice. They raise the serotonin hormone. So you can buy yourself a flower. You can buy yourself a self-development book, new cover for your phone. Just buy something for yourself. Remember, this journey that you're walking, this journey that you are on, it is journey for you to become the best version of yourself. It is not just about weight loss. It is falling in love with yourself. It is coming back to you, because when you start working on your weight loss, you realize that you're falling in love with your body, and because you start now realizing other areas that you had neglected and now they need attention. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, please like, comment, also turn notification on. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram. Follow me there, and I would love to see you on the other side. God bless you. See you on the next one. Bye.